Is sabr? Sabr is to endure, to thank Allah for whatever He has given us, to be able to praise Allah. You could shed tears. Tears is not a sign that you don't have sabr, but you are enduring. It's natural and normal to cry sometimes, like I said right at the beginning. But I'm saying, oh Allah, help me through the loss. Oh Allah, grant us a reunion very soon. Where will we be reunited? In Jannah. I'm going to meet with you, I'm going to sit with you, talk to you. Who are you addressing? Your loved ones whom you've lost. You will be reunited. وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَاتَّبَعَتْهُمْ ذُرِّيَّتُهُمْ بِإِيمَانٍ أَلْحَقْنَا بِهِمْ ذُرِّيَّتَهُمْ. Allah says those who believe and their families followed through in belief, we will connect their families with them. We will let them join each other in the hereafter. You join each other. Come, let's go. Eternity, you'll always be together. May Allah grant us goodness.